Hey everybody, it's me Bree, and this video we're unboxing April's Birchbox. This is what this month's box looks like. It's plain blue on the back, blue on the back. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up and see what we got. Our theme is Feed Your Mind, Body, and Soul. Very cute. Alright, first thing I'm feeling is something huge, and it's deodorant. It's interesting. Lavender and Sage by Schmidt's. No aluminum, propyl glycol, or artificial fragrance. I'll be honest, I'm not a huge fan of lavender, so let's see what this smells like. Oh. No, I don't really care for that. Ooh, I'll probably give this to my mom. She likes lavender a lot. Alright, so let's see if we've got anything better in here. So the next thing we have is by Kula. It has SPF 30 and it is a organic makeup setting spray with hyaluronic acid in it. So that means that it will be moisturizing, which is good because I've got some dry, crusty skin. It says shake well before use, and it says it has peony leaf, juniper berry, phoenix leaf stem cells. It's dermatologist tested, 70% organic ingredients, and it's water resistant for up to 80 minutes. That's a lot. Let's see how she sprays. Pretty good mist. I haven't put on any setting spray today, so I'll just try it out real quick. Okay. It actually burns a little bit. It kind of like smells like that spray sunscreen, which would make sense since it has SPF in it. I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, it feels alright on my face, it's just the smell is quite overwhelming. So I guess try not to breathe while you use it. That's all I can say. Okay. Not great, not bad. Next thing is a little tiny box. It's Ades New York Koopa Shoe Butter Lip Balm. A little teeny tiny. Alright. I wonder if it's really just a chapstick or if it's got color to it. Let's just open her up and see. I'm just butchering all this packaging today. Oh wow. Ooh, it does have color. Cute! Oh my god, it's so precious. Look how tiny it is. And then it's like pink with like white shimmer in the middle. You get quite a bit. Let's swatch it and see if it really comes off as pink or not. Oh, just barely, but enough to like be pretty. Oh, I can't wait to use that. And it smells amazing. I guess from like the cocoa butter? Is there cocoa butter in it? Let me read the box. Luscious balm that moisturizes, hydrates, and soothes dry, chapped lips. Center cores infused with cold-pressed Koopa Cho butter from the rainforest. Awesome. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Okay, can't wait to use that. I'm always needing some good chapstick, and I especially like that it has a little bit of a tint to it, so that's awesome. Okay, next feel a little stick. So that would be Ico London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. That's good. I mean, it's nothing exciting, but I am in need of another liquid eyeliner, so that's handy, I guess. That's a thick tip. It's a felt tip, but I don't know how precise I can be with that. Let's see. So far, it's pretty pigmented, but it is a thick line. Let me see if I can do something smaller with just the tip. Not really, but it'll work. Either way, happy to have it, but nothing super exciting either. Alright, and the last thing we have in here was actually my pick for the month. You can choose one freebie every month, and I wanted to try the Bad Girl Bang Lash by Benefit, because I've seen a lot of good reviews going around about it. So I wanted to give her a go for myself. Obviously, this is a sample size. Oh, okay. So it's got the hard bristle wand. I usually go for the fiber wand, the spoolie type. So, okay, cool. Can't wait to try that out and see if it's as good as everybody says it is. Alright, so that is everything we got in this month's box. I'd say I'm pretty happy with everything. I don't care for the scent of the deodorant, so like I said, I'll give that to my mom. Otherwise, that's a really cool thing to get, a full-size deodorant for sure. Full size for it is $8.99, which isn't bad, really. Our skinny eyeliner, the full size, goes for $22, which I personally think is insane. So even if I like it, I doubt I'll purchase the full size. The Coola makeup setting spray, full size, is $36. I would never pay $36 for a setting spray, especially one that burns my nostrils. So, but I'll use my sample. Your Bad Girl Bang, it says it's from 12 to 24. So I'm assuming this is the $12 size, like the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I've got a small one I got for $12, and the full size goes for $24. And then our little lip balm, it says the full size is $24. For lip balm, $24? Okay, anyway. Like I said, I like everything except the deodorant, which, I mean, I still like it, I just don't care for the scent. So, I think this month was pretty good. Like I said, I just don't think I would repurchase any of the full-size items, even if I do like them. So, you know, it's fun to have the samples, but it also sucks that you can't really afford to get the full size. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, and if you want to see what I get next month, then go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!